Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to share with you some new in-meeting features from the latest Zoom 5.0 version update that also includes better security and some new and enhanced features. To check to see what version of Zoom desktop client you are using, open the client and sign in. Go to your profile picture, Help, About Zoom. To update Zoom, go to your profile again. Check for updates. If there are any new updates, you will see an install button. I would recommend that you go ahead and install to the latest version, which should only take less than a minute. The major update included in Zoom 5.0 is the use of AES 256-bit GCM encryption. According to Zoom, and I quote, Zoom is upgrading to the AES 256-bit GCM encryption standard, which offers increased protection of your meeting data in transit and resistance against tampering. This provides confidentiality and integrity assurances on your Zoom meeting, Zoom video webinar, and Zoom phone data. This version of the Zoom client will support GCM encryption when it is automatically enabled for all accounts on May 30th. Unquote. One of the most exciting updates is the new icon placed along the menu bar of the host interface screen. The security icon gives the host several security features options that can be enabled or disabled. The purpose of the new security icon is to group security features together to make them accessible in one location. Keep in mind that this icon is only visible to the host and co-host. Head over to the security icon and let's start with Lock Meeting. Once you lock the meeting, no one else can join even if they have the meeting ID and password. Look to the top left of the meeting screen. You will see the status of the meeting as locked. You can always unlock the meeting at any time for someone who is running late for the meeting. Enable Waiting Room. When enabled, any participant who joins in will be taken to a waiting room until the host decides to let them in. The host will receive a notification of a participant who had just entered the waiting room and will have the option whether to let the participant join. The host can send anyone to the waiting room at any time. Screen Share. Unchecking Screen Share will restrict all participants to screen sharing. The participant who is trying to screen share with restriction on will receive a pop-up warning message stating the host disabled participant screen sharing. During a screen share from a participant, when a host decides to restrict screen share, the participant's screen share will immediately stop sharing. Chat. Unchecking chat will restrict the chat function to participants. The participants will see a chat disabled note under the group chat window. The host is the only one that can send chat messages to everyone in the room and privately to anyone. Rename themselves. Unchecking will remove the function for all participants to rename themselves. Only the host can rename anyone in the meeting. Remove Participant will open the list of participants that the host may choose to remove by clicking Remove. When done removing, cancel below. Report. The host can now report dubious participants. Type the name or down arrow will open the list of participants. You can add many individuals in one report. Select the issues. Add additional information if you wish. You can also include a desktop screenshot. Just make sure that there is no pertaining information on the desktop that does not need the support of the report. Just remember, the desktop screenshot will screenshot your entire desktop. Send when finished. The report will be generated and sent to Zoom Trust and Safety Team to evaluate any misuse of the platform and block a user if necessary. As the host, before you can leave a meeting, you are required to assign a new host. Choose a new host, assign, and leave. Hovering over a participant, More will open options for that participant. Chat will send a private chat, make them the host, allow them to record the meeting, rename them, send them to the waiting room if there is a need for private conversation among supervisors, remove from the meeting, and report them for any issues. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you, and if you like it, leave a like and leave comments and questions below. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my other videos. Bye now.